everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something that I don't think I've done before. I'm going to be unboxing a subscription box. So for today, I'm going to be unboxing Glam-Ego's January 2018 subscription box. Talking about Glam-Ego, I've actually worked with Glam-Ego once before on my Instagram where I made like an unboxing video, but I've never done like a full unboxing on my YouTube channel. So I really hope you enjoy it, and do let me know in the comments down below if you want me to make more unboxing videos in the coming months. So Glam-Ego box retails for rupees 299 and you get a combination of full size and travel size products, 4 to 5 beauty products. So basically if you go to buy one single product that comes inside the Glam-Ego box, it will cost a lot more than the entire price of this one box. So it's definitely a price saver, and if you're into beauty and trying out new products, you should definitely subscribe to Glam-Ego's subscription box. And yeah, let's just get started with the unboxing of the box. So this is what the box looks like. It's like an ombre orange to yellow box, and it says #no resolutions. It has a bunch of different things like lose tummy, grow hair, and all those usual resolutions that everyone tend to have. Now talking about the actual products that are inside this month's box, the first thing is a hand cream or a nourishment cream, which is by the company called Natural Bath and Body, and it's in the variant grapefruit and vitamin. It's to lighten, whiten and brighten. I'm not a fan of the whiten, but I can appreciate brighten. Also, this brand is not tested on animals, so it's cruelty free, which is great. Talking about the actual product, I'm just gonna squeeze some out on the back of my hand, and the lotion is pretty thick and it smells really nice. And I love this size because it's perfect for traveling, and I can store this in my everyday bag and use this kind of like a hand cream or in general a body cream. The second thing inside this box is this lipstick. I think it's by the company called Bella Voste, I think that's how you say it. It's a lip gloss and it's a 3.2 ml bottle, tube rather, and it's this bright orange color and it's in the shade called Mercier Rouge 04. I'm gonna actually try this on. To start off, it smells really nice. It smells kind of like a cupcake and it's very pigmented, and the best part about this lipstick is that it's not sticky, but at the same time it has the wet look that a lip gloss should have. So on the packaging of this lipstick, it says that it retails for rupees 5.99. So there you go, the price of one lipstick is way more than this entire box. The third item inside this box is a bath care handmade soap, and it's in the variant lavender. It's by the company called Bio Bloom, and now that I smell it, it does smell like lavender. This soap is a really natural and Ayurvedic soap because when I read the ingredients, it says glycerin, coconut oil, palm oil, safflower oil, lavender oil and some sorbitol, which is a moisturizer. So basically all the ingredients in this soap are ingredients that I do know, which just says that it's very natural, so that's amazing. And the last and final product inside this box is again by the same company called Bio Bloom, and it's a skincare face oil. It's a age-defying and radiance booster, and it's 100% natural. It says that it's paraben free, mineral oil free, LLP and petroleum free, which is great. And the ingredients inside this face oil are apricot kernel oil, carrot seed oil, rosehip oil, geranium oil, lemon oil and a few other oils which I can't pronounce. But I'm really impressed because it just has a bunch of really natural ingredients, because you don't want to be putting a bunch of chemicals on your face. So I would give this product a thumbs up. Now talking about the actual product, it's a 15 ml oil and it says that it retails for rupees 1,500. So again, there you go, much more than what the entire box costs. And it also has this really cool dropper which makes me feel like a scientist. I can't really use this oil on my face because I'm having a lot of acne issues and I'm not sure if my dermatologist approves of this. But I'm gonna definitely give this oil to my mom because it says that it's age defying and it's a radiance booster. So I'm gonna give it to her and let her try it out on how it actually works. And the best part about it is that it's not sticky at all. So once you apply it on your face, it just kind of seeps in and doesn't have the sticky feeling that usually usually oils have. So to sum it up, I really like Glamego subscription box, especially this month's, because the lipstick was for like 600 rupees and the face oil was for 1500 when you have to actually pay only 299. So I would definitely recommend this box to you guys if you like trying out new beauty products. So yeah, that was my unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the little bell which will notify you every time I post a new video. Follow me on my social medias and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!